Welcome. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the 2026 oath of office for our newly elected and re-elected Board of Directors. Before I get started with the oaths, I would like to announce a few things. First, as you noticed around the room, we do have food places. They're in the back, they're in the front. We also have drinks along the side. As I call your name up for the for the winners of the 2026 election, I will have you come up on stage. I will do unit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in that order. I would like you to start at this end and come this way with unit 1. Let's see. First of all, before we get started, I would also like to introduce the election commission members, and if you could just stand and raise your hand as I announce you. First, we have. Thank you, Ernie. We have Reed Doherty. They're both from the Western End. I have Letitia Lorette, our secretary. And I want to thank Letitia for all the work she did making this a new season for me on the commission. She did a lot. Thank you. And myself, Sheila Berger, the vice chair. One other person in this room I would like to thank was Lana Stewart. You helped me through this season, and I want to thank you personally. We are going to have our opening prayer done by Cecil Pavlot.
Anin, Bojo, Giglang wasa nin, Ojibwe mino a jagana shin daw, a ji jokin do dem. A seman dap nan gine jamon pi, nango gijigak nak shek. A gajemiro, gagwejimagom goab mon pi, kena ogumasana nek, mon pi nak shek. Kagwejimagom not emotionang wawani we bamadziang. Not emotionang we sustamaang mina we mino dapnamaang gin kinagego at the moyen. Awabanang jawanang and gabinang minagiwed nang mashomasananek nokumasananek o de nekkeing. Not emotionang jue missionang kinawea mampi. Ashkuk McQuay, Hami Gwich Kinagego Gimijang. Meanwhile, Gudingi Gijigak. Migwecho Gimijang, We Siak, Beneshiak, Gigwek, Menado sansa gichi twa mishkeke nebish mina nasa win. Whenever it is that we gather for a sacred purpose, such as installing our leadership, Ogama Sananik, our leaders, not our chiefs. Ogama does not mean chief, it means leader. And so when we do these things, we call upon our relatives that had been here before and are now in that spirit world, That's why we do those directions like that, asking them to come and bring the guidance that we might need, the direction that we might need. And of course, we always give thanks, gratefulness for the things we have, which is everything that we need. Creator has provided, Mother Earth has provided. And so we're grateful for all those things. And we ask them ones to help our leaders to be good leaders, And we need that. We need that prayer. We need that medicine. We need those things that acknowledge who we are as Anishinaabe. Baoting Anishinaabe. People of the rapids. And this gathering place that we just had many visitors, that powwow, that was rocking. And so we're always told, treat our visitors well, welcome them to Baoting. And so with that being said, I would just ask that our leaders remember that you work for the people. The people do not work for you. So lead in that good way, Lead by what that means. Gema, it's like what it really means is that those behind you, Gendaso is to count. And so you're kind of not judged, but by the number of people that stand behind you makes you Ogama. And so all of those people that stand behind each and every one of you that are being installed and the ones that have already been installed, those people are behind you for a reason. Treat them right. Treat us all right. Lead us in a good way. No more us than them, Just we. We. Tribal nation. We, tribal citizens. Now how? We need some more help here.
We will now hear from our drum ice circle.
Yeah!
Thank you. We will now hear from Teal Lake Singers. Thank you. We will now do the introduction of the 2026 winners of this election. So we're going to start with Unit 5. Would like to present incumbent Tyler LaPlante. Stay right there, Tyler. Yep, you're good. Unit 4, Cole Goodlow. Unit 3, Sue St. Ange. From Unit 2, incumbent Kimberly Lee. From Unit 1, we have Ashley Gravel. And incumbent Robert McGrory. I will read the oath of office, and each board member will then swear the acceptance of the office. I do solemnly swear that I will support the Constitution of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians, and that I will faithfully discharge the duties of the office of member of the Board of Directors of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians according to the best of my ability. In discharging those duties, I will honor the 7 teachings of our people: love, respect, honesty, humility, truth, wisdom, and bravery. Now, there's this weird writing on this oath, and I am not familiar with it. I apologize, I do not speak Anishinaabe. So, it reads, continually as our ancestors were in the past, and are now and will continually be forever, I will honor the Anishinaabe way of life. And each one will now do the acceptance of office. I forgot to hand you guys these. I hope these Sorry, Tyler. My so sorry.
I, Tyler LaPlante, have been, so this is really hard to, I, Tyler LaPlante, having been elected to the office of member of the Board of Directors of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians for a term of 4 years beginning July 6, 2026, do hereby accept said office and affirm my eligibility for same as a member and qualified voter of this tribe.
Thank you.
It's kind of tough. I, Cole Goodrow, having been elected to the office of member of the Board of Directors of the Sioux Tribe of Chippewa Indians for a term of 4 years beginning July 6, 2026, do hereby accept said office and affirm my eligibility for same as a member and qualified voter of the tribe.
I, Sue St. Ange, having been elected to the office of the member of the Board of Directors of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians for a term of 4 years beginning July 6, 2026, do hereby accept said office and affirm my eligibility for same as a member and qualified voter of the tribe.
I, Kimberly Lee, having been elected to the office of member of the Board of Directors of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians for a term of 4 years beginning July 6, 2026, do hereby accept said office and affirm my eligibility for same as a member and qualified voter of the tribe.
I, Ashley Gravel, having been elected to the office of member of the Board of Directors, I left my glasses on the table, of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians for a term of 4 years beginning July 6, 2026, do hereby accept said office and affirm my eligibility for same as a member and qualified voter of the tribe.
Robert will repeat after me his oath. I, Robert McGrory,
I, Robert McCrory,
having been elected to the office of member of the Board of Directors
having been elected to the office as a member of the Board of Directors
of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians
of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians
for a term of 4 years,
for a term of 4 years,
beginning July 6, 2026,
beginning July 6, 2026,
do hereby accept said office
do hereby accept said office
and affirm my eligibility
and affirm my eligibility
for same as a member
for same as a member
and qualified voter of the tribe.
and qualified voter of the tribe.
Thank you. You have your 2026 newly elected Board of Directors.
Yes. Yes. Yep.
Okay, you guys are going to have to sign your 2 oaths. But as you step down the stage, you'll receive your gifts. And then if you'd come back up on the stage with your gifts for pictures, that would be great.
Which way do you want us to?
That way. They're going to sign when they come back here, because I have to sign too.
Have Rob come.
Oh, Rob. What now? Oh, have Rob go first?
And have him sign as he's, before he comes down, get signed, and then get gifts and come back up, sorry.
Sorry. This is, I'm new.
I'm signing here?
Yeah, I'm new, Rob.
Oh, yeah, I know,
Okay.
I know.
All right.
You're good, you're forgiven.
Your officer here, on that dark line. Huh? One more, Mr. Rob. I'm sorry, you gotta sign down here too. Oh, he's got your glasses. How nice. I couldn't see. A little late, isn't it? Need another pen.
We doing the same thing?
This is the second copy. Thank you. This one's for you, Rob. I smell food. Oh, shit. I do have a copy. Relax, relax. You are free to exit. Go this way, Rob. Careful, don't fall. Let me sign it first. Yeah, don't smell the black roses. They're painted. Oh, shit. This will be Lana's copy anyways. Man, I can't sign my name. You want to sign your name on that? I'll sign this one. God, that's your copy, my dear. Thank you. Thank you. Next. Jesus, don't smell them too hard. Just because the black ones were painted. Just the black ones. They smell like paint. Seriously. Yes. Oh, you gotta sign this one though too. Here. Yep, officer name. Yep.
Get it all?
Yep. I think there's only 6 of you. I know I could. Okay. Tear them apart so we can both sign it. There you go. Yep, you're the top.
This one here?
Yes, ma'am. There you go, ma'am. Thank you. Just split them cool. We both, way it gets done quicker.
Sorry, I should have done that before. I didn't know
No, it's all right.
Sorry, up here.
No, you're fine. Top one.
We'll switch your rules.
Yeah.
You're good at this.
After I sign 6 of them, eh? There you go. Congratulations. Yeah, figures. You can come back. You can't follow directions, eh? I'm just kidding. You do that one.
We got this.
Want to announce that any of the members that have been elected winners want to have their pictures taken with their family. We have a black drop over here. You're more than welcome to have pictures taken.
I'm good with this one.
You're good with that one.
Good.
Rich.
Remember which way you want, Tyler?
Big cigar. Once again, I present your 2026 winners of the general election. Congratulations. At this time, I would like to invite our chairperson, Austin Mills, to come on out, Austin, to come on up and to say a few words about our outgoing board of directors.
So I was trying to hide so they couldn't find me for this, so. No, it is wonderful to see everyone here. It's truly a blessing to see so many tribal members in one room, especially here to support their family members and loved ones and friends who went through an election. So I've been through a handful of elections myself, and I can tell you that they're hard. They're hard not just on the candidates, but they're hard on their families as well for what they have to sit through. So for all of you guys being here, I think that that's truly an amazing thing, and you guys should be really proud of yourself, your families, and how these people conducted themselves during this election, because they did a truly good job. But, you know, the thing with public service is it's not a job that's meant for life, or in my opinion, it shouldn't be. Very few of us retire from the board of directors. This is a job that we're here to do for a little while, here to make some changes, here to serve the people, you know, and then we move in a different direction in our life. So at this time, I would like to acknowledge Kimberly Hampton. So Kim served on our board for 4 years, and in my opinion, she did a really good job. She was supportive of emergency housing for our tribal members. Before she was on the board, we didn't have a homeless shelter. She's supportive of expanding tribal health care, as is Isaac McKechnie, who is another outgoing board member, and as was Sean Borowitz. So I appreciate that everything that each and every one of you guys did. So hats off to you, and I wish you luck in the different directions that your life brings you. So we have a gift for you guys. We have a, what do we have, a blanket, right, Sheila? Yeah? Okay. So if you want to come up right now, Kim, we'd love to give that to you. All right, and I'm going to get off the stage because this is not my day.
Okay, thank you, Austin. I don't know what we're doing now. Pardon me? Pardon me? We're gonna eat? Yep. And anybody that wants pictures, there's the black drop, the backdrop, black backdrop. Is it after or right now? The board will now reconvene their special meeting to make their election, their selection of their officers.